Well, we are finally almost to the point we can eat cinnamon rolls or serve them for Javaccino. These cinnamon rolls, if you made them at home from beginning to end, would take you 3 hours, all right, because it has to ferment the dough, which is an hour, and then again it has to proof, which is an hour. So these have come out of the oven. Now I want to explain why some of these popped, meaning like these are nice and flat and these pop. We jammed as much into this pan as we could. When we make these for Javaccino, we make them in a great big sheet pan, and we leave about a ½ inch in between every cinnamon roll, so it has room to expand. But we did not do this here, and that shows you that if you don't, they pop. Now they still taste exactly the same, they're just not as visually appealing. Alright, our icing beat for 10 minutes, and if you can see it's real soft and fluffy, so I'm just going to spoon some over here. And this frosting recipe does make quite a bit of icing. You usually don't need all of it. And you can use a straight edge spatula, which is a very good frosting tool. It's commonly what is used in bakeries for icing. And you just spread this over the cinnamon rolls. Now we'll be doing this when the cinnamon rolls are a little bit warmer, so it may start to melt. We bake these fresh on Javaccino morning, and we don't have time to sit and let the rolls cool. In fact, we prefer to serve them warm. So this icing will melt all over and make just a really nice glaze on top of these rolls. And there's just a few spots I want to get some more in here. This, again, this cream cheese icing has a very small amount of lemon juice and vanilla, which just makes a wonderful flavor. Okay. Now, to package these up for Javaccino, there are many different ways to do this, and again, you need to find something that works for you. Alright, so you may find a way that's more efficient than what I'm doing. You have to, I usually go around the edge and separate the rolls from the edge of the pan. I do like this much better than a knife because it goes straight down into the corners and it stands up above, and you can get a little bit better leverage that way. Alright. Now you have to kind of see where these are cut, and you can just go around and cut them. Okay. Then what I use are tongs. You may also use pancake turners, but these are nice because you can just kind of pick it up. Now I did not cut that one well enough to come out of the pan. But the goal here is to get it in the box without getting cheese all over the place. Now that one's a little bit smaller, so I'll cut another small piece to put in there with it. Our goal is always to kind of cover the bottom of the box. Okay. Then you close the box up. Now again, if you get cream cheese all over the outside of the box, which is going to happen when you're packaging up 100 of these things, get a new box so that it looks nice when you present it, and you may or may not throw the fork underneath for service.